Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to do my kind of eyeshadow look that I'm absolutely loving at the minute. So it's brand new and the product is, where's the product gone? I think I've lost it already. Where did I put it? Oh, is it in the kitchen? One second. So the product I am going to try and that I absolutely kind of, I'm obsessed with, I love the shade, is this Phoera, I think. And it's a pigment eyeshadow. Now I'm going to do like an eyeshadow look with you guys and just, I'm really just sick of this hair. It just does not flow. I think I've toned my hair like really wrong as well. Like this side's more ashy than this side, I think. Or is it just me? Probably just me, I don't know. Anyway, it's coming across quite... Let me move the tripod. Sorry, I'm wearing this amazing lip gloss that I've told you about. The Toffee Chubby Lip Liner. Oh my God, it's amazing. Absolutely love it. So I'm wearing that today, which is slightly different for me because I normally like a gloss. Don't like what I'm looking like. Okay, so I'll just have to do it, won't it? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try kind of an eyeshadow look with you guys. And I'm very all over the place today. So thirsty. Oh, move that. And I just want to try it out with you guys because I just think it looks so cool. I'm going to do kind of, what do you call it, like an eyeliner flick towards the end if we get that far, if it looks okay. It might look an absolute mess. So yeah, I'm going to do this eyeshadow look. My hair is really annoying me because it's growing out. The sides are growing out. So it's making my kind of... It looks like I've got like puppy dogs, like spaniel ears at the side. So I don't know how to wear my hair anymore. It's really kind of annoying me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start the tutorial in a minute. Not a tutorial because I'm shit at tutorials. You know I am. I don't really do tutorials. But I just wanted to have a catch up with you guys. I just wanted to say thank you so much for all your love and support. We're just growing stronger and stronger every day. I'm really, really happy that you're with me in this journey, this YouTube journey. It's just absolutely insane to me that you're all supporting me and you're understanding my channel and my content. So yeah, I'm just really grateful for everyone that's watching and for your support. I just can't thank you enough. I'm really, really happy that you're with me. And I just feel like we're getting somewhere and my progress is actually showing because I think on the 13th of June will actually be my year's anniversary on YouTube. So I'm absolutely over the moon with that. I'm just over the moon and I just can't thank you enough for all your support that you've given me. I'm just completely and utterly grateful and thankful. So first of all, I just wanted to talk to you about my face, obviously. I have had my eyebrows threaded. Can you see? Now, I've not actually had them threaded for a long, long time, so I'm not keen on the way that the lady's done it. Because I am feeling like she has kind of gone too far with it. I think they just look too thin, I think. I don't know if it's just me. I don't know. It's not making me feel the best. So, I don't know. But I do like them. They look very neat and tidy. On my face today, I'm wearing my normal makeup, my Too Faced foundation, just some highlighter, the Opal highlighter by Becca. And I'm wearing out my nose too. And I'm just wearing some light minimal makeup because I'm actually going to test this pigment out and show you my kind of eyeshadow look that I'm loving lately. I've done this look once or twice before and it came out okay. So I'm just going to try it out with you guys. It could come out like absolute crap today. But I'm really, really excited to do it because I just like kind of sparkles, and the colour is absolutely amazing. So I will get into this. But yeah, I just want to talk about my face. I've actually had some Botox topped up, and I literally cannot move my head now. It's just literally all that. It's just this. It feels really, really tight, but I just love frozen forehead. So come at me with the hate comments. I don't give a shit. So, right, where are we now? What we doing? I'm getting a bit beside myself again. The weather outside is an absolute pile of shit. It's really, really raining. It's horrible. Everyone's at Park Life today, or you know, at some festivals. So I'm absolutely glad that I'm not there, because don't get me wrong, I do like festivals, but in this weather, no, it's a no from me. So I can't believe it's going to be a year since I started YouTube. Like, how crazy is that? It's flown so much. Like, it's just gone like this. So in love with YouTube. I'm so excited to film because I love hearing your comments. I love I don't know, I'm so grateful for this journey, and I would hate for someone to take this away from me. You know, I was saying to my boyfriend this morning, you know, this is my achievement in life, because I don't achieve many things in life. And if I could do this and achieve it, I will just be so thankful and grateful. So I'm going to actually shut up now, because I've been going on about rubbish for about 10 hours. So this is the pigments. And it's the Phoera, I think it's called. If it actually does come out of here. It's very messy, so I'm actually a bit worried about putting this on my face. Come out then. I just have to get it out. It's not coming out. So this is the pigment, and it's a beautiful colour. The colour is called Teddy. Can you see how beautiful and golden and bronze it is? I nearly dropped that. Oh my God. It's just insane. Can you see? So I'm going to put that over my eyes. And we're just going to experiment really on this look and just see what we can come up with. Because I've not done an eyeshadow look for a long time. And this look is literally what I'm vibing at the minute. I just wish my hair would behave. Right, okay. So I'm going to go ahead and do my look. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some primer on my eyelids, because I was trying to research online about how to put these pigments on, because my face is looking huge. I'm sorry, is it just me or is it just fat? I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's the angle of the camera. Anyway, I promise you my face isn't this fat in real life. I don't know what's going on. So I'm going to put this primer on, because otherwise the eyeshadow will not stick to my eyelid, the pigment. So I'm just going to put a bit on my hand. And I'm actually going to use a brush to apply it. What brush can I use? I'll use this little one. Just to make sure it will not kind of budge. So I'm just gonna, and this primer is very sticky. This is the Milk Hydro Primer, the Grip Primer. So this is a great primer to put on your eyelid, just so everything just sticks together really well and gets really tacky. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and do this. I'm actually a bit worried about doing it on camera, because I'm scared it's going to go wrong, but who cares? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wet this brush. Should I use a brush? No, I'll use like one of these kind of round brush. And I'm going to pick up the product. This isn't going to take very long, because pigments are very easy to actually put on. So what I'm going to just put some on my brush. Can you see it's packed it all up? And then I'm just going to apply it on my eyelid. Oh, I forgot about the fallout. Oh no. Oh no. I'm going to have to just wipe this away, but there is going to be a lot of fallout. Can you see how it's applied? It's stunning. So I'm just going to apply some more. The fallout is insane. I should have known about this. Damn it. Now that is intense. I love that. Just going to add it to my eyelid. Wow. And I'm just going to have to just brush this along with this. I will actually maybe go at the end and touch up with my concealer. But can you see the difference? Wow, that's amazing. So I'm going to do the other side now. I'm going to use this brush because it'll pack it in just slightly better, I'm presuming. Can you see? Wow. I fucking love this colour. It's like a burnt copper kind of... Oh, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And the primer has literally clung on to my eyelid so well. Wow, I'm in love. Let me just do a tiny bit more. Oh my God, this is amazing. It's so pigmented. Did I put more on that eye than this eye? I think I did. And I'm going to put the lid on this because I am going to mess everything up if not. So here is the colour. And here it is on my eyelids. I might just have to just top it off with my... So what do we think, guys? I think it really complements my kind of skin tone also. It's gone on the eye really well. Very super pigmented. And pigment. I'm just in love with it. It's gorgeous. Can you see? And I love the colour. It's like kind of a copper, kind of like a purple kind of aubergine. It looks on camera, but it's not. It's a lovely kind of rusty gold colour. But it's picking up quite kind of purple. It could just be me. Oh no, I've ruined it. Oh no. I fucking ruined it now. I am noticing quite a lot of fallout though, guys. Oh, I've got it in my eye. Oh no, I've ruined it. I'm just going to try and get it off here. I'm just going to redo my concealer as well, just a tiny bit. Just around here. Just so it brightens up my eye. And this is the best concealer known to man. This is the Jeffree Star one. Absolutely love it. So that's a lot better. Oh my God, it looks amazing. So the last bit, what I'm going to do to my eye. Last bit, I'm going to just try and do like a winged eyeliner. Because I've seen this quite a lot on kind of a few people, and I've always wanted to do this. So I'm just going to try it out. Where's my winged liner? I've got a dead leg as well. Oh. Might not work, it might work, I don't know. So I'm just going to do like a flick. Oh, I don't know what I think to that, if that's... I just wanted like a flick, a kind of a cute little flick at the end. What do you think, guys? I quite like it. Let me just try it and shorten the quite in love with that. It's quite cool, isn't it? So that's it, guys. That's the look. I just wanted to show you this amazing glitter pigment. It's so cool and so amazing. And I love the kind of flick kind of eyeliner. I just think it gives you kind of a different kind of vibe, kind of model off-duty kind of vibe. I love it. I'm going to actually slice my head off in a minute because I'm so sick of me touching my hair. Oh, this is just the best. And that is it, guys. That's the look. I am really quite in love with this. Very simple, but can you see the eyes are just so dramatic. They're not dramatic. They're very kind of, I don't know, I just love this kind of colour. I've always loved kind of metallic, kind of burnt, coppery orange eye looks. And I've never really used a pigment before. So I think this is perfect. And how easy is it to put on pigment? I think it's easier to put on a pigment than it is to put eyeshadow on. So what do we think, guys, of the final look? Do we love? I'm in love with it. Just going to add a bit more highlighter. Because I think this look is going to be kind of a highlighted, bronzy, shimmery look. I hate that. I hate that. I hate my Cupid's bow being accentuated. I don't know why I did that. Let's change it up. That's better. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this kind of eye look and catch up with me. What do you think of my current obsession with this eye look? I think it's so cute. I love the winged eyeliner. Just gives it a kind of different kind of a dimension to the look. I'm just going to spray some Mario Badescu Skincare facial spray, which I still haven't really got used to. The smell is very weird. Just to let everything set. And that's it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Well, it's not. It was just kind of a ramble and me putting some makeup on. I definitely suggest you go and buy this. I bought this from eBay for about £4, and I think they have this on AliExpress, but I couldn't find it when I went to look. And Amazon, I think, but eBay is your safest bet. So thank you so much for watching this video and catching up with me. Thank you so much for your support. So much more content coming along the way. Just so much. So thank you for everyone's support. It means the world to me. I'll see you in my next video and have an amazing day, guys. Bye.